In 2004, Mod designed and built the Power of One exhibition at the Museum of Australian Democracy, Old Parliament House. Multimedia and mixed media invited visitors to add their voice to a conversation. Is Australia's democracy working? We asked visitors to tell us. The experience contained different rooms representing different generations. In the pre-war Builders' Generation room, visitors handwrote their response, pressed a button on the desk, and a hidden camera in the lampshade scanned their entry and published it. Their contribution was added to the conversation. Thank you for joining the conversation. Visitors browsed contributions from an iPad app available on stands around the exhibition. In the Baby Boomers room, visitors recorded audio vox pops. I really dislike politicians who are professional politicians who don't do anything else in their life. In the Generation X room, visitors used a Commodore 64 to type a message. This was a popular part of the exhibition, although the 80s keyboard took some getting used to. In the Gen Y room, visitors recorded video selfies on one of 12 iPods suspended from the ceiling. I would make politicians accountable for their actions. All this content was designed to be shared. With a push of a button on the iPad, visitors published any message onto the exhibition's Facebook or Twitter. The Power of One exhibition comprised 7 applications running on 29 different devices in 7 rooms. Mod's production management platform, Rack and Pin, was used to develop, deploy, configure, and monitor the whole experience. Each day, Rack and Pin instructed devices to go to sleep and wake up in response to a pre-programmed schedule. Venue staff could use Rack and Pin for maintenance and moderation. From a mobile web interface, staff could change the behaviour of any device to one of a number of different user experience modes. For example, an iPod could be set to just loop through a specific video, or the record function could be activated, so visitors were prompted to take selfies. If any software or hardware needed updating, Rack and Pin made it easy to do so with minimal staff intervention. The show included built-in moderation tools. Any of the iPads could be switched into moderator mode via Rack and Pin. This provided staff with additional functionality so they could moderate and curate visitor contributions without leaving the exhibition. Power of One set a new benchmark for visitor interactivity at the Museum of Australian Democracy.